Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to simplify. So this one we will have about 1 over s plus ye to the power of sy. Because s divided by s, we simplify 1 divided by s, you got this one. Next, s multiplied by this one and this one. So we will have about 1 over y. And we have s in here. Next, I will put b equals to this one. And q equals to this one. Now, we have the s. So we need to do first the derivative of the function of b with respect to y. So we don't have y, you got about 0. We have y and e to the power of sy. So if I do first the derivative of this one, I will do first the derivative of y. You got about e to the power of sy. Later that we do first the derivative of e to the power of sy. So we will have about se to the power of sy. This is about the product rule of derivative. Now this one is about dy. So we need to do first the derivative of the function of q with respect to s. So this one we don't have s, you got about 0. So we do first the derivative of this one, and then we will have about e to the power of sy plus e to the power of sy. We can see that this one is equal. So that's it about exact. And now we need to set up about the function fsy. Fsy equal to this integration in here plus 3sy the integration of 1 over s. We will have about ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one in here, we will have about e to the power of sy. Because the integration of this one, we have e to the power of sy over y, but we have another y in here. That's why you got about this one left. Next, we need to do first the derivative of the function with respect to y. This one we don't have y, so you got about 0. This one we have y. So if I do first the derivative of this one, we will have about se to the power of sy plus d over dy 3sy. And we know that everything in here equals to this one. Now we need to simplify this one on the left and on the right. So we just have this one left. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. And we put about c. Now we return back to this one. This one, that is about this one in here. So we change 3sy into ln of the absolute value of y. And we know that everything in here equals to fsy. Fsy equal to c. And now we just simplify like this. Now we have the conditions. When s equals to 1/2, y equal to number 2. So we put the value in here to find the value of c. This one, ln of 1/2, that's about negative ln number 2. This one, that's about number 1, so we have e. So we simplify, that's about c equals to e. So we return back to this way, and we put e in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.